All right, so y'all, this is a homework problem out of 2.7. This is question number 2. And the student says, okay, how do I go about this problem? So look what it says here, y'all. Suppose the point 15, 13 is on the graph of y equals f of x. We want to find a point on the graph of the function y equals f3 of x. Okay, so y'all, I'm going to do part A here, where it says y equals f. Let me clean this up a little bit. Y equals f of 3x. I want you to notice something, y'all. I want you to notice where the 3 is. The 3 is on the inside, right? And if it's on the inside, we are changing our x values. So y'all, all I did is I went to my study guide, right? And right here, look what it says. If we're changing the x values because it's on the inside, then the way we're going to find our new point is we're going to take the number x, we're going to divide it by c, and the y number is going to stay the same. Okay, so look, y'all, I'm going to just copy this right back over here. I'm going to say x divided by c and my number y. Okay, so y'all, when I look here and I do a compare and compare, remember this is what this is what y equals f c of x is going to look like. So y'all, if I do a stare and compare, wouldn't my c here be the number 3? And so if the point, the original point we have is 15, 13, then the new point we're going to have is going to be 15 divided by 3 and 13. And so the new point I'm going to have, y'all, 15 divided by 3 is 5, 513. So right here, y'all, my answer is going to be 513, okay? Y'all, there is a second part to this problem, okay? Part B says, we'll do it like this. Y equals f of 1/3 in x, okay? So y'all, again, if I do a stare and compare here, wouldn't my c here be the number 1/3? So y'all, if the point that we used to have before was 15 and 3, now the point that I'm going to have is going to be 15 divided by 1/3 and 13. So how do I take 15 and divide it by 1/3? I can think of that 15 over 1 divided by 1 over 3. Sorry, that doesn't look like a 3. That's better. And then I can say, look, this is 15 over 1 times, remember the reciprocal, 3 over 1. That's going to give me 45 over 1, or just 45. So when I come back over here, y'all, for part B, the point I'm now going to have is 45 and 13, okay? So, y'all, again, the way I figured this out was the fact that this guy was on the inside, told me I was going to change my x values. What I did, y'all, I just went to my study guide, and I found where this part was. And then I was able to use this piece right here, okay? If y'all got any questions, let me know. Happy to help.